Hi, welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Freedman. Thanks for joining me for my first episode of Product Reviews. Today, I have a really cool product from the guys at Cannador, and this is the premium storage 4-strain cannabis humidor, Cannador, registered trademark. Very cool, love the packaging. We plant a tree with every Cannador purchase. It's important for us to replenish what we take. Cannador is a premium storage brand that focuses on functional design and balanced humidity for the home. We know how important freshness and taste are for your top shelf collection. Our goal is to maintain your collection's quality while surrounded by sustainably crafted product. The Cannador, and this is the 4-strain with Nook in cherry. Very, very excited to open this and check it out. Again, big shout out to the guys at Cannador for this awesome Christmas present. And here we go, nicely tight packaged in. You can see it's surrounded by foam, so I'm just gonna work on getting that out quickly. One piece of foam. It looks beautiful. I love the color of the wood that they chose for me. This cherry is gorgeous. And I truly think that this is something I've been asking for a while, so it's really cool that they decided to send me one for Christmas. I really appreciate it. Oh, look at how beautiful that is. And it smells fantastic. And even cooler, I didn't realize that it is a lockable unit, so absolutely flawless all the way around. That's the bottom, and let me show you the inside. There we go. And that is the Cannador, the vapor beads in the top. And let's hold it like this. Make sure I don't drop it. There we go. That's the ticket. So in there we have a nice little stash spot with my 2 very classy keys. Sedative awake. Some labels that are dry erase. We learned this. The vapor beads, this is for the actual humidity in there, and I believe this unit will just stick to the top, and this is what you'll rehydrate in there. Definitely, this is a magnet, not a mirror, and that sticks right to it, so that's for the vapor beads. The do's and don'ts, we'll look into this in a sec. And then here are our very cool jars. Now the jars are neat because they have open tops, so this is truly supposed to let everything breathe. Inside, you're supposed to get the relative humidity from your beautiful Cannador. So what a cool product. And again, it smells just fantastic. Lots of space, and they say you can put a 1/4 ounce in each one of these jars. So we're gonna put 1 ounce of great top shelf cannabis in our beautiful new Cannador. But let's go through the do's and don'ts quick, and then I'll give you one last look at it, and I will get out of your face. Only dip half of the bead system in still bottled water. Do I need to keep the vents all the way open? It does not matter whether the vents are fully open or fully closed, the Cannador, because they are not fully airtight. When you remove the glass from the Cannador, you may wish to keep the vents closed in order to minimize your humidity loss. Great. Black dots in the bead case, you need to worry about that. Oversaturated bead case. Optimal relative humidity is between 55 and 62% relative humidity. Wonderful. So I have to I'll season my Cannador first. I'll leave it, it says to wipe it down with a paper towel, a wet paper towel, but I've heard that it's even better if I just fill a jar full of water and let it naturally evaporate. I'll hydrate my cool vapor beads, and then I'll wait for 2 to 3 weeks to have this beautiful, beautiful storage system. Again, Cannador, can't thank you guys enough for this incredible Christmas present. I'm so excited to show this off to all of my friends, because you know that this is what you need. Why are they making child-proof cannabis containers when that should be your responsibility? It's very easy to open a beer. Why are we child-proofing legal cannabis when you could do your own child-proofing, get a wonderful product like the Cannador with this lock on there? Super, super cool. Super, super excited. Thank you again, Cannador. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe for cannabis reviews, cannabis and wine pairings, cannabis and craft beer pairings, and lots of other fun stuff. Cheers, until next time.